I am Mickey Mouse. What's your name?
My name is Zoe.
Oh, Joy, nice to meet you. Okay, give me your hand, give me your hand. Nice to meet you. Okay, can you tell teacher Lori? So my name is Lori. Can you say, hi, Lori?
Hi, Lori.
Yay, that's so sweet. Okay, now you say, nice to meet you, Lori.
Nice to meet you, Lori.
Yay, ta-da! That was great. Oh, look at my eyes. My eyes have hurt. No, 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 no. I will give you more. Wow, can you see my hearts now? Oh, wow. This is how I look when I see you. Oh, no. How do you feel today? How are you?
I'm happy.
You're happy. Uh-oh. I'm angry. No, I'm not angry. Oh, oh no, I'm tired. Are you tired?
No.
No. Are you sad?
No.
No, we are happy. Look at this. Ta-da! Like this. I'm happy. Ha 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 ha. Okay. So, look, today we are going to learn about our families. So, do you have a sister or a brother? Do you have a brother or a sister? Do you have a sister? So, you have mommy, daddy, you. So, you don't have sister or brother?
No.
No. Uh-oh. You know that teacher? I have one sister and two brothers, and my mommy and my daddy and myself. So we are 6 people. It's so much. Okay, now let's see. Wow, all these people. Wow, there are a lot of people. Now, can you tell teacher, who is this person? Wow, he is the sun. So let's look at this. This is mommy. Let's draw mommy. Help me, help me. Let's draw mommy. Go, go, go. This is mommy. Can you draw daddy? Go, go, go. Take the pen. Draw daddy. Draw dad, draw dad. I want daddy. Go, go, go. Make the face. Make a circle. Oh, can you draw? There you go. Oh, yes, that's daddy. So, daddy and mommy. Oh, make some hair for daddy. Make some hair. Uh-oh, look at daddy's hair. Now, you make 2 little eyes. And daddy's angry. Okay, so we have mommy and daddy. And this is the sun. Sun. Can you say sun?
Sign.
There you go. Now daddy is like, this is my son. This is my son. Okay, so son. And what about this one? I'm the daughter. Daughter. Can you say daughter? Daughter. There you go. Daughter. Perfect. So now, mommy says, this is my daughter. This is my daughter. There you go. You are mommy's daughter. You are mommy's daughter. Good job. That was great. Teacher will give you something. I will give you something. Do you know what's that? Wait, wait, wait. It's a surprise. Jinxue. Wait, wait, wait. Do you want to see what teacher has here? Can you see a little, a little? Oh, what's this? 这是什么? Wow. What's this? It's
hamburger.
hamburger. Yummy. Yummy. A hamburger for you. Ta-da. Okay, now let's see what else we have here. Ta-da. Look at him. Sun.
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 Yoo-hoo, sun. Great. So, can you circle mommy? Can you circle mommy? Where is mommy here in the picture? Circle the mommy. Yoo-hoo, good job. Gandahao. Okay, teacher will give you a kiss. Great. Okay, mwah. Okay, mwah. Now, can you circle? Oh no. Can you circle the sun? Circle the sun. Where is the sun? Huh?
Sun.
Sun. Where is the sun in here? Sun. Circle, circle, circle. Circle, circle, circle. Yay! Great. Now, you have the hamburger. Teacher will give you something else. Are you ready? It's here. It's here. Can you see something? Can you see something? What's that? Look, look, look. Ta-da! It's hamburger and chips. It's chips. Can you say? Sure. Chips.
Sure.
Chips. I like chips. Yummy.
I
Yay.
like chips.
You like chips. Yoo-hoo. Chips for you. That's great, girl. Okay. Now let's see one more word. Yoo-hoo. Now listen. Uh-oh. Let's listen. Ooh, 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 ooh.
Daughter.
Daughter. Can you say?
Daughter.
Daughter. Daughter.
Daughter.
There you go.
Daughter.
So this is, can you circle the daughter? Can you circle the daughter? Daughter. Circle the daughter. Yoo-hoo! Great job. I will give you something else. Do you know what's this? Ta-da! It's cake. Do you like cake?
Yes.
Yes,
I
and look,
do.
this is a birthday cake. Happy birthday to you. Can we sing together? Go, go, go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Come, come, come. Blow the candle, blow the candle. Go, go, go. Go, 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 go. Oh, no. Again. Oh, no. Okay. Perfect. So now we have daughter and daddy. Where is daddy here? Can you circle daddy? Daddy, daddy, daddy. Yoo-hoo. That is great. One trophy for you. Good job, girl. Yay. 2. I give you 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So many. Okay.
Nine.
Wow, you got 9. Yes, you got 9. Wow, good job, girl. I make it 10. I make it 10. I make it 10. Good job. Okay, now we have 2 people in the picture. Who are they? They are
Grandparents.
grandparents. There you go. So it's grandma and grandpa, grandparents. Both of them are grandparents. Can you make a heart on the grandparents? Make a big heart on the grandparents. And I give you a heart too. Ta-da! Okay. Can you draw? Can you draw a heart? Look, I draw half of it and you draw the other half. Now you can draw the other half. Go, go, go. Make the other one. And we make a heart. Yay! That's a heart. Perfect. Okay. So, grandparents. Grandparents.
That's
Great. Okay. Now, oh, they are so cute. Now, who do we have here? This is grandma. Grandma. Can you say? Grandma. Grandma, grandma, grandma. Grandma, grandma, grandma. Yay, that is grandma. So, teacher is grandma now. Wait. I am grandma. Hello, my dear. How are you? I am grandma. I cannot walk. Okay. And who is this girl here? Let's see. What's that?
Granddaughter.
Granddaughter. Granddaughter. Wow, that was great, girl. I will give you an orange juice. Do you like orange juice? Yummy. You can drink some orange juice. Okay. I am going to give you a certificate. You are given this certificate because you know all the words. Now, you can write your name here. You can write your name here. Can you write your name? Go. Write your name. Take the pencil. Can you write your name? You write your name and you earn a certificate. Yay! Zoe. Perfect, Zoe. This is for Zoe. Good job. And Zoe has 50 points. 50 rewards for Zoe. Good job, Zoe. You are a great student. Hey, wonderful. Hey, wonderful. Okay. Zoe, do you like singing? Do you like to sing?
Yes.
Yes, I know a song. I don't know many songs. I know one song. It's called wait. It's baby something. Baby Shark. Do you know Baby Shark? Do you know Baby Shark? I know a song. It's like Baby Shark do 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 do. Baby Shark do 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 do. Baby Shark do 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 do. Baby Shark. No more Baby Shark. Then we go. Mommy Shark do 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 do. Mommy Shark do 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 do. Mommy Shark do 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 do. Mommy Shark. I have Daddy Shark. Wait. Daddy Shark is very big. Wait. I bring you Daddy Shark. Oh, wow. It's so big. Oh, no. Here I go. Are you ready? Ready? Daddy Shark do 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 do. Daddy Shark do 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 do. Daddy Shark do 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 do. Daddy Shark. Wow, Daddy Shark is very big. Oh no. Daddy Shark do 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 do. Okay, Zoe, that was perfect today. I'm so happy for you. You are a great student. So thank you, Zoe. 谢谢. Oh, that's a heart for teacher. Thank you. I got a heart for you. I like you a lot. Thank you, Zoe. 谢谢. 谢谢. Okay, Zoe. Now it's time to say goodbye. Are you going to say bye to teacher? Oh, I'm so sad. I have to say goodbye. Okay, so bye, Zoe. 再见. Okay, so many hugs, Zoe. Mwah. Thank you. Hey, wonderful. Hey, goodbye. Hey, goodbye. Okay, bye, Zoe. Teacher loves you. Bye-bye. Thank you. Thank you for your help, Mommy.